Unlocking Off-Page SEO Strategies for Success. Introduction. Hey there, fellow digital enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of off-page SEO strategies. If you've been on the quest for ways to boost your website's visibility and rankings on search engines, you've come to the right place. Off-page SEO is like the secret sauce that can take your online presence to the next level. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's explore the exciting realm of off-page SEO together. The power of off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is all about what others think of your website. It encompasses everything external to your site that can impact its authority and credibility in the digital world. While on-page SEO focuses on optimizing your website's content and structure, off-page SEO is about building your website's reputation and authority through various online channels. Here are some new insights into its importance and potential. 1. The trust factor. One of the most critical elements of off-page SEO is trust. Search engines, like Google, want to provide users with reliable and valuable information. They gauge this by examining who links to your site. When authoritative and reputable websites link to yours, search engines perceive your site as trustworthy, boosting your rankings. This trust factor isn't just about the quantity of backlinks but also the quality. In the ever-evolving world of SEO, trust remains an enduring currency. 2. The social connection. In recent years, social signals have gained prominence in the off-page SEO landscape. The engagement and activity on your social media profiles can influence your website's authority. It's not just about having social media accounts, it's about being active, responsive, and connecting with your audience. Engaging content that gets shared across social platforms can indirectly impact your SEO performance. 3. Online reputation management. Off-page SEO extends beyond backlinks and social media. It also involves managing your online reputation. User-generated content, like reviews and comments, can influence potential customers' decisions. Responding to reviews, both positive and negative, demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction. This can indirectly affect your website's SEO by building trust and credibility. 4. Guest blogging reimagined. Guest blogging has been a staple of off-page SEO for years. However, it's evolving. Instead of merely focusing on building links, consider guest blogging as an opportunity to showcase your expertise. Share valuable insights and unique perspectives in your niche. When you're seen as an authority in your field, it not only attracts readers but can also lead to natural backlinks as others reference your content. 5. The era of video SEO. While text content is essential, don't underestimate the power of video content for off-page SEO. Video platforms like YouTube are search engines in their own right. Creating informative and engaging videos related to your niche can attract a broader audience and increase your website's visibility. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to enhance discoverability. 6. Local SEO for global impact. Local SEO isn't just for local businesses. Even if your target audience spans the globe, optimizing for local searches can give you a competitive edge. Registering your business on Google My Business, obtaining local citations, and encouraging customer reviews can boost your local SEO, which indirectly affects your overall SEO performance. 7. The influencer connection. Collaborating with influencers can be a game changer for off-page SEO. Partnering with influencers in your niche can introduce your website to a wider audience. Their endorsement can increase your credibility, drive traffic, and even lead to natural backlinks when they mention or share your content. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at off-page SEO strategies that can elevate your website's visibility and authority in the digital landscape. Remember, off-page SEO is an ongoing process that requires patience and persistence. Embrace these strategies, adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape, and watch your website soar to new heights. By now, you should have a clear understanding of the importance of off-page SEO and some fresh insights to supercharge your online presence. Keep exploring, keep optimizing, and keep climbing those search engine rankings. Happy optimizing!